In the realm of Android smartphones, Google's Pixel series stands unrivaled. Known for their smooth performance and sleek designs, these phones are a definitive choice for Android aficionados. Always at the forefront of innovation, Pixel phones are among the first to receive Android updates, keeping you ahead of the curve. As we speak, the latest models, Google Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro, and the intriguing Pixel Fold, are available at discounted prices from Best Buy. Each one is an epitome of cutting-edge technology and design, tailored to cater to your every need. The Pixel 8 and its bigger sibling, the Pixel 8 Pro, come equipped with the new Google Tensor G3 processor and an impressive camera system. And for those looking for something a bit more futuristic, the Pixel Fold offers a unique folding phone experience. High demand is expected, so don't delay if you're considering a purchase. First up, meet the Google Pixel 8. This smartphone is a masterstroke of design and technology that seamlessly blends functionality with aesthetics. The Google Pixel 8 sports a vibrant 6.2-inch Actua OLED touchscreen. This display is not just large, but it's also bright and colorful, making every image, video, and game come alive in your hands. Under its sleek exterior, the Google Pixel 8 is powered by the innovative Google Tensor G3 processor. This cutting-edge chip, coupled with a generous 8 GB of RAM, ensures smooth and responsive performance, whether you're multitasking, streaming, or gaming. Next, let's talk about the camera. The Google Pixel 8 is equipped with a rear camera system that boasts a 50MP wide lens and a 12MP ultra-wide lens. This dynamic duo allows you to capture stunning photos and videos, with crisp details and vibrant colors, in a wide range of scenarios. The Google Pixel 8 comes preloaded with Android 14, the latest version of Google's mobile operating system. This means you get to enjoy the newest features, enhancements, and security updates straight out of the box. Finally, we can't forget about the battery. The Pixel 8's adaptive battery feature can last for more than 24 hours on a single charge. And if you need it to last even longer, you can activate the Extreme Battery Saver mode, which can extend the battery life up to an astounding 72 hours. The Google Pixel 8, with its impressive specs, is truly a powerhouse in a sleek package. It's a smartphone that not only meets the demands of today's digital lifestyle but also raises the bar for what a smartphone can be. With its impressive specs, the Google Pixel 8 is a powerhouse in a sleek package. Next, let's talk about the bigger brother, the Google Pixel 8 Pro. The Google Pixel 8 Pro, the larger version of the Google Pixel 8, is a powerhouse of features. It boasts a 6.7-inch Super Actua OLED touchscreen, providing you with a larger, brighter, and sharper display. This is perfect for those who enjoy immersive gaming, watching videos, or even just scrolling through social media. But what sets the Google Pixel 8 Pro apart is its performance. It comes equipped with a whopping 12 GB of RAM. This results in a faster, smoother, and more responsive user experience. Whether you're a multitasking pro who loves to switch between apps, a gamer who needs that extra bit of speed, or a creator who demands the best in video editing capabilities, the Google Pixel 8 Pro is designed to effortlessly keep up with your pace. Now let's move on to the camera, a highlight of any Pixel phone. The Google Pixel 8 Pro features a powerful camera system that includes a 50MP wide lens, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 48MP telephoto lens. This trio of lenses work in harmony to capture stunningly detailed and vibrant photos, regardless of the lighting or the distance of your subject. From sweeping landscapes to intimate portraits, the Google Pixel 8 Pro's camera system ensures you can capture life's moments in all their glory. One can't talk about the Pixel 8 Pro without mentioning its software. As with all Pixel phones, the 8 Pro runs on the latest Android software, in this case, Android 14. This means you'll have access to the latest features, security updates, and enhancements as soon as they're available. In conclusion, the Google Pixel 8 Pro takes everything you love about the Google Pixel 8 and amplifies it. It's not just a larger phone, it's a more powerful, faster, and more capable device that's designed to meet the most demanding of needs. If you're looking for a phone that doesn't compromise on performance, camera capabilities, or display quality, the Google Pixel 8 Pro is a contender worth considering. Finally, for those who love innovation, we have the Google Pixel Fold. A marvel of modern smartphone technology, the Google Pixel Fold is a testament to Google's ability to push boundaries. This device is designed for those who want to experience the future of smartphones today. It's not just a phone, it's a technological revolution that fits right in your pocket. The Pixel Fold boasts a 5.8-inch OLED cover display, allowing you to swiftly check notifications, messages, and more without having to unfold the device. This display is sharp, vibrant, and incredibly responsive, ensuring that every tap and swipe is registered accurately. But the real showstopper here is the expansive 7.6-inch OLED inner display. When you unfold the device, you are greeted with a large, stunning screen that offers refresh rates of up to 120 Hz. This means smooth scrolling, fluid animations, and a truly immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, the Google Pixel Fold is powered by Google's own Tensor G2 chip. This powerhouse ensures that the device runs smoothly, even when multitasking or running demanding applications. And while the device ships with Android 13, you can easily upgrade to Android 14 right after getting the device, giving you access to the latest features and security updates. Now let's talk cameras. The Google Pixel Fold is equipped with a triple-lens camera array. This includes a 48MP main camera that captures stunning images with incredible detail. Complementing this is a 8MP telephoto lens for those far-off subjects, and a 8MP ultra-wide lens for when you want to capture more of the scene. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just someone who loves snapping pictures on the go, this smartphone has got you covered. The Google Pixel Fold is a testament to Google's innovative spirit, offering a unique folding phone experience. This smartphone is not just about the specs, it's about bringing a new form factor to the mainstream and offering a different way to interact with technology. The Google Pixel Fold is truly a glimpse into the future of smartphones. So there you have it, 3 brilliant devices, each with its unique offerings. Let's recap. The Google Pixel 8 with its 6.2-inch Actua OLED touchscreen, Google Tensor G3 processor, and 50MP wide lens camera is a force to be reckoned with. It's perfect for those who want a compact yet powerful device. And with Android 14 right out of the box, you're getting the latest and greatest from Google. Then, we have the Google Pixel 8 Pro. It's the more robust sibling of the Google Pixel 8. Boasting a larger 6.7-inch Super Actua OLED touchscreen, a whopping 12 GB of RAM, and a more powerful camera system. For those who need that extra bit of performance and photography prowess, this is the phone to go for. But let's not forget about the Google Pixel Fold. This device takes innovation to the next level with its 5.8-inch OLED cover display and a 7.6-inch OLED inner display. If you're ready to jump into the future of smartphone technology, this is your chance. And like the other two models, it's packed with powerful features like the Tensor G2 chip and a triple-lens camera array. But remember, these devices aren't just about the specs. They offer a seamless Android experience, with timely updates and a design aesthetic that's unmistakably Google. So, whether you're a casual user, a tech enthusiast, or a professional on the go, there's a Pixel phone that's just right for you. It's now time to weigh your options, consider your needs, and make your move. Because these deals on the Google Pixel 8, the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and the Google Pixel Fold won't last forever. This is your chance to get your hands on some of the best Android devices in the market at discounted prices. And as we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to stay updated with more tech news and reviews. Your support keeps us going. Remember, these deals won't last forever. If you're interested, take the leap today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.